Hello everyone, so the module called Payslip Payment is designed for community. It assists user in creating accounting payment directly from the payroll and have the flexibility to choose different payment journal for processing payments. This app will allow you to pay multiple payslip payment conveniently with a single click directly from the employee payslip. It will offer the option to make partial as well as full payment towards an employee payslip. So let's quickly start and I will show you how this works. So first we need to go into payroll. Now as you can see, this all are paid, so I will create a new one over here and I will add all the details. So I want this particular employee, I will add the structure and I will compute them. So once you computed, you need to confirm. Once you confirm, you will see a button which is Payslip Payment. So once you click on Payslip Payment, you will see a wizard in which you need to add the payment date as well as the journal in which you want to add the payment. So once you've selected, you need to add as payment like 2000 less than that, which will be partial payment, and you can simply click on confirm. So once you confirm this, as you can see, this one is generated. Now let me click again and I want to make the full payment. So I will click and add all the details. So now if you are adding amount to pay more, then it will generate an error. So once I click on confirm, it will generate an error that amount to pay will not be greater than net wage. So I have to add the correct amount over here, not greater than the given amount. So I will add the amount and I will make it confirm. So once it is confirmed, it will go into payment paid status. As you can see, this is the posted and the payment is done. So if you create multiple payslip like this, so let me create one or two over here, and if you want to generate this in bulk, so I will create one more over here and I will add the details. I will add all the details over here and I will compute sheet and confirm. So as you can see, these are the two slips in which I want to make the payments. I can simply click two of those and click on action button. As you can see, it is showing payslip payment over here. So when the wizard will be visible in which the details of the payslip will be there. You need to add the date as well as the journal, and from here only you can simply pay the amount. So you can pay multiple payslip at once. So when I confirm this, as you can see, the status is changed to paid as well as it is posted. So this is how this module will help you to make the payment with different journal, as well as you can make the partial payments. Along with that, it will help you to make multiple payslip payment by single click. You can simply click and go into action button and make the payment. If you have any query, please write down your query in comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.